All right, folks, here are the instructions on how to access the videos that you'll need for the asynchronous version of the Brain Dissection Lab. If you're doing the synchronous version, that means you're going to be in class or you're signing into the Zoom in real time. So you do not need to be listening to these. You need to follow the instructions that are included in the synchronous edition of the Brain Dissection Lab. This is for folks that are not going to be joining us in real time during class. So what you want to do is start by going into Canvas and entering the course right here. From here, you're going to want to go into modules. And there's not going to be a whole lot going on. What you're going to look for is Mastering Study Area. You're going to be asked to open a new browser window. So go ahead and do that. And you'll be taken to the study area right here. So the study content by chapter, here's the actual textbook, practice quizzes, all this stuff. What you're going to be looking for is lab videos right here. And from there, you're going to click the link that is bone and dissection videos. You get a screen that looks like this. Got a bunch of different stuff going on. What we want is cow and sheep dissection. And we're going to look right here at these videos here. Now you'll need to look at all of the videos. They're short. I think the longest one is 8 minutes long, or a little bit longer, maybe 10. Have a copy of the lab paper with you. And basically what you're going to do is you're watching the videos. Wrong tab. There we go. As you're watching the videos, here I'll open one up and take a look at it real quick. They're going to look kind of like this. And then there's certain parts of the video where they zoom in and highlight particular sections. Let me go back. Right here, like this. And so you can take a screenshot of this and drop that screenshot in these boxes right here. Okay. Then once you get done, you've got some post-lab questions I'd like you to answer. And then you'll submit this file right here that you're looking at into the Dropbox and Echo. Okay? So go back, if you need to review this to find where the videos are, go back and look through this. And you've got until we come back after Thanksgiving to go ahead and get that done. But the sooner you get it done, the better. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see y'all again soon.